First, open your browser and go to manager-x.com. Select your profile and log in as a tutor. Once logged in, you arrive at the dashboard. Here you will see an overview of all scheduled practice reservations, including the date, time, equipment reserved, and the postgraduate who made the booking. Next, go to Resources. There's where you will find a list of practice sessions showing all current and upcoming bookings in detail. In the Messages tab, you will receive booking confirmations from your postgraduates with all reservations details included. You will also be notified here if a training is cancelled. And to make sure you don't miss anything, the same messages are also delivered straight to your email box.